Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Serrano, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a product that I've been wanting to get my eyes on for quite some time now. And this device has actually been out for quite some time. It was released in June 25th with a 90Hz display, 5000 milliamp hour battery. It also does have a really nice display on here, Android 11 480 Snap D on here as well. And I actually have the refurbished version right here, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for spending your time with me today. And do me a huge favor, if you're a huge fan of budget technology just like myself, I truly appreciate you for spending time with me. Make sure you stay to the end of the video, because in this video we're gonna go over the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord N200 5G and just take a look at it for the very first time. And I will do a follow-up video. We will do more reviews on this thing, but first I just want to get it out of the box and see what it comes in the package. So if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through and joining me. I encourage you to subscribe for more videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. Alright guys, so we do have the N200 right here. I'm just gonna cut the tape right here on the top and kind of see what comes inside of the package, right? Because this is a different package than what it would normally come in. So this is exactly how it would look right here. So they did give us this charging brick, which kind of looks like a LG fast charging brick. It says fast charging on there. We also do get a micro Type-C cord. I'm sorry, not micro, Type-C cord on here. And then last but not least, you do get the phone inside of a plastic right here. I just want to go ahead and take a look at the phone, and it looks like a really solid look, has a nice solid look to it. So I definitely want to take a look at it in some more detail. So let me just take a look at this a little bit more. And yeah, that looks really crazy. That looks extremely crazy. It's got like this matte finish to it, so it won't gather too much fingerprints, really easy. But also the camera module on here is really nice to look at. Let me go ahead, take the tape off the back. There is like a sticker on the back. I'm not sure if it has like important information on it, but I'm gonna just take that off and put that off to the side. And so you can see right here, this is the back of the phone, and it has a really nice look to it. It kind of reminds me of the N10 5G, a little sticker residue on the back of it, but other than that, it looks pretty much brand new. So let me just wipe that off just so you don't see that as much. And besides that sticker residue on there, we are getting a triple camera setup, as you can see right here, which looks really nice. So you can see that the camera up top, camera below it, so it's a 13 megapixel, 16 on the front, so that's pretty cool. But we do get a 6.5 inch display on here with 90 Hertz refresh rate. So I'm gonna go ahead, give this device a little bit of juice right now and kind of get it started right now. But basically it has Android 11 fast charging with 18 watts wired charging, so it's not going to be wireless or anything like that for the charging. But we also do get a 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel for your, you know what I'm saying, depth camera. We also do get electronic image stabilization on here, as well as 1080 30 frames per second. So you can see the OnePlus logo powering on the device right now. So this does have a plastic frame to it. It also does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack at the bottom, and it should have dual speakers as well. So you can see this is what it would look like when we're first powering on the phone right now. And it says right here, you can agree to the terms and conditions right here that it has to offer, and then you can enter your SIM card if you want to. And then it says you can actually enter your Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna do that. I kind of just want to test out the overall, you know, feel in the hand and the haptics on here. But this used to come in at $240, but for the refurbished version you can actually get it a whole lot cheaper, right? So Wow, the haptics on here feel really, really nice with each touch. I'm not gonna front. It has a nice bounce back feel to it. OnePlus has always had pretty decent haptics on their devices as well. So you can see right here the punch hole cutout at the top, really smooth display, really bright, and colorful on here as well. Has a nice weight to it. One thing I like about this device is it does also have Bluetooth 5.1, which is something that's pretty cool because I do like to listen to a lot of music on Spotify and stuff like that. So has a really nice feel to it in the hand. It also is going to be pretty new from OnePlus with the Snapdragon 480. It's going to be a nice change, in processing power. It's still budget price point, but still very effective when it comes to speed. This is the blue Quantum. That's the color that they say this is. So it says it's installing updates. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, so it's done right when I said that. So let's go ahead and just hit next right here and don't copy. And I kind of just want to see the unboxing setup, the process, and what comes on this device, and kind of walk you through the interface of this device and everything like that for the very first time, so you can just kind of check it out along with me. But one of the things that stands out is the fast charging. It also has 4 gigabytes of RAM coupled with 64 as well. So we'll just skip the setup process here for Google. And it is powered by the Snapdragon 480 5G chip set on here as well, and it does have a Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It also does have a 90 hertz refresh rate, which we're gonna just definitely take a look at as well. But if you made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate you for coming through. Do me a favor, if you're enjoying the video so far, I encourage you to subscribe for more videos just like this. But I definitely appreciate you for making it this far. Make sure you stay locked into the end of the video, and I'm still waiting for it to update right here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna have a sip of my coffee. Okay, cool. Got your SIM slot right here for your SIM card. Your volume rockers are right above it. It has like this plastic build to it. Punch hole cutout right at the top on here as well, which is pretty cool. And then we also do have like NFC on board, the Type-C for charging on the bottom. You're still gonna get stereo speakers as well on this guy, as well as a headphone jack and NFC, it looks like. So I'm still waiting for the device to completely set up and everything like that. And here we go. So now this is the actual home screen right here. And this is what the phone would look like. So you can see the nice, really vivid display to look at, really nice, colorful, sharp. It does say you can switch the launcher layout as well. And let's just take a look at the home settings menu, and then I'll wrap up the video. So you can see we got screen recorder, hotspot, Zen mode. We also do have over OTG cable mode, screencast, VPN, live caption as well. So a lot of really cool features in here included in the bundle. And then you get your right here, it says the launcher layout, as well as OnePlus switch, so you could move your information and stuff like that. So the device is pretty much loading up, and you can see that the interface looks really nice on here, but it's still just basically like loading up. So you can't really do much until it's finished doing that. So you'd kind of just have to wait, like right here, so you can see what I'm saying. It's not letting me do much of anything, but let's go into the settings option right here inside of here. And it does say you can log into your account. You get NFC. You also do get customization, display, accent color, icons, really cool stuff here. You also can choose between the gestures and double click to the camera, and a bunch of other features right there, as well as unlock, battery, storage, utilities, and a whole lot more. So this is pretty much the unboxing experience. So far, I think this device will be pretty cool for you, like scrolling the internet, browsing the internet. The Snapdragon 480 is not going to be too crazy when it comes to power, but it will be pretty good for optimization and everything, and updates and stuff like that. But I'm going to get into this phone in a lot more detail, but I appreciate you for staying locked in with me throughout the whole entire video. But do me a favor, if you're brand new to the channel and you're new to the crew, consider subscribing and getting notified for more videos just like this. And I'm definitely gonna you know, do more videos on this device, so I definitely am looking forward to that as well. So I definitely think the back of here, it does look really nice. It does have a nice like vibe to it and everything like that. So let me know what you guys think about this device, the N1200 5G. I know it was out for a little bit of time, but this is my first time getting my hands on it, so I definitely wanted to take a look at it and kind of get you guys' opinion on this device as well. So I'm gonna get right back with you guys. I'm gonna check you guys in the comment section and answer all your questions. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. It's your boy Serrano, and I'm gonna check you guys later. Peace.